So this is the nested and logical function example in Excel. So server, this is the status of the server. You can see it is online. These are the servers patch status, patched, pending, failed, success, disk utilization. This is the disk utilization, CPU utilization, reboot required, yes or no, user days, user age days. So from this many days the servers are up. User status is active or inactive. Ticket status open, closed. Ticket age. So this is the age. Backup status completed, failed. Last backup date. Pre-checks done, pending. Validated pending. Backups okay, failed. System type critical, non-critical. Password length 14, 16, 12, 9. Complexity of the password complex, simple. Password age 20, 40. Example and logic true, false, if plus and output. So you can see this is the AND logic, and we can see in the formula bar and B2 is equal to online, comma C2 is equal to patch. So the server is online and patch. So this is B2. You can see it is highlighted here. B2 is online, and if it is patched, then it will display the result as true. It will display the result as true. There are several logic here actually. See D3 less than 80. D3 is CPU disk utilization less than 80 and CPU utilization less than 70. Then this will display false. It will display false. So and C4 is success. C4 function is C4 is equal to success. So if it is success, see here it is patched. Here it is success. If it is success, comma, and if it is less than 30 days old, if it is less than 30 days old, see this is the last backup date. Today function means today's date minus last backup date is less than 30 days, means the system backup was taken last backup date is less than 30 days. Then it will show true here, otherwise it will show false. If C5 status is pending, server's patching is pending. If it is pending and F5 is reboot, reboot required, yes. If it is reboot is required, then it will show yes, reboot is required. So G6 is less than 90, user age is less than 90, and HCC is active, user status is active, then also it will show okay, true. If ticket status is open and J7, that is ticket age is greater than 72, then it will display true. SLA breach, so that is SLA breach. If K8 is completed, backup status is completed, and today function minus L8, L8 is the last backup date, is less than or equal to 7 days. So the last backup date is less than or equal to 7 days. It will give true, backup okay. You can see the output here in the next column where the status backup okay. If pre-checks are done and validation, pre-checks are validated, backups okay, then it will give true, ready for change. So ready for change means so backup taken, pre-checks taken, it can ready for patching like that. So C10 is failed and FP10 is critical, means system type is critical. Then it will show we have to monitor such systems. So it will show true. So Q11 is greater than or equal to 12. Password length is greater than or equal to 12. R11 is equal to complex S11 less than or equal to 30. Password age is less than or equal to 30. Then password is okay. Password is okay. You can see this is the just an output of this. So it includes this cell also, this column also. So B2 is online if some condition and if B2 is online and C2 is patched. So it is online and patched, comma compliant. That means it is compliant, otherwise non-compliant. Otherwise non-compliant if and. So multiple conditions and also if condition. So multiple conditions together must be true, and if this is true, then I will do so. I will display one output. Excel will display one output. Otherwise, Excel will display another output. So D3 is less than 80, means disk utilization less than 80, and E3 is less than 70. CPU utilization is less than 70. Then the system is healthy. Otherwise, check required. Otherwise, check required. So if and C4 is equal to success. C4 is equal to success, and today function minus L4 less than 30. So this is the last backup date. Last backup date today function minus L4. So the difference between the last backup date and today is less than 30 days. Then it says up to date or else outdated. Up to date or else outdated. If and C5 is pending. C5 means the server is patched. Sorry, if it is pending and Fi is reboot required, then it will print needs reboot, otherwise okay. This is if and review user if and G6 less than 90. So G6 is the password age is less than 90 days. So user age is less than 90 days and H6 is active. User status is active, then it's a valid user. Otherwise, review user SLA breach. If I7 is equal to open, comma J7 is greater than 72, means ticket status is open and it is greater than 72 hours, then SLA breach, otherwise within SLA breach, otherwise within SLA. So here it is SLA breach. So if and K8 is completed, backup status is completed, today function minus L8 is less than or equal to 7. Today function minus the last backup date is less than or equal to 7 days, then backup okay, otherwise backup issue. So if M9 is equal to done, means pre-checks are done, N9 is equal to validated, N9 is validated, means pre-checks are validated, backups okay, and O9 is double equal to backups okay, then ready for change, otherwise check prerequisites. If and Q11 password length is greater than or equal to 14. Password length greater than or equal to 14. R11 is equal to complex. It is a complex password. S11 is less than or equal to 30, means password age is less than or equal to 30. Password okay, otherwise policy violation. So this is the example of if and logic and if and logic in Excel.